Assalamualaikum. Very good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to your English class again, and this is your English teacher again from United Public School Tandur. And today's our topic was VVS Lakshman, which means a very special. Okay? This is our reading C, VVS Lakshman, a very special. Okay, in our last class we have this completed our reading B, that is a player, right? What is a player we discussed. Okay, and this VVS Lakshman was also a player. He is cricket player, right? So we will discuss about him in our today's class. Okay. First of all, why do we have him? The VVS Lakshman over here, the photo you can see. So why do we have him in our Telangana textbook, English textbook? I mean, why about him we have in our English lesson? So the reason is the Lakshman belongs to Hyderabad, right? Yeah, he is also a part of Indian cricket team. So the reason he is in this textbook, and he is inspirational person to many other cricketers, many other players, and to his fans. So in this lesson, he share his views, his experience, his journey of career, that is cricket career. He shared his career by the format of interview. Okay, so let us get in this lesson. And you know what, he is very, this lesson is very inspirational to us. So let us see what is in it, this lesson. The lesson name, VVS Lakshman, very special. Okay, treat success and failure on the same wavelength. Yes, wavelength in the sense equal. Okay, so he is saying that treat the success and the failure in the same wavelength, which means we have to treat the success and the failure in the same manner. If we succeed, then how we will feel happiness, right? So on the failure time also, we don't have to get disappointed. We have to, instead of that, we have to learn on our mistakes, improve our mistakes, and we have to work hard, and we have to succeed. So in the sense, we have to treat the success and the failure in equal manner. We don't have to give up, right? This line states that if you are fail, then don't worry, just be normal and improve from your mistakes. Okay, if you won or if you lost the game or something, you have to treat equally. So the success and the failure are the part of everyone's life, right? Next, success and failure are the part of everybody's life. The key is self-believed and performing consistently in tough condition. VVS Lakshman tells VV Subramanyam. So what Lakshman saying to Subramanyam is saying success and the failure. Of course, this success and failure are the part of everybody's life, and the key of self-belief and performing consistently in tough condition means. So this line says self-belief. You are performing consistently in tough condition. If we have tough conditions, tough situations, then we don't just have to leave it. Oh, I can't do this. We don't have to just give up. We have to believe in ourselves. We have to perform consistency here in the sense continuously, which means continuously we have to believe in ourselves, and we have to perform our works continuously. Up to that, we can improve in that. Okay, so this statement was said by VVS Lakshman to VV Subramanya. What we have to do, we have to perform our work, our studies continuously, consistency continuously, which means reading means reading, study. We have to improve. So we have to do, we have to practice is continuously. Up to that we can get that, up to that we can improve in that. Okay, and we have to keep belief in ourselves, not in others. Okay, and one of the finest player in contemporary cricket has called it a day for someone who delight cricket lover with his brilliance with the willow for 16 long years in Test cricket. Vengipurapu Venkatesh Sai Lakshman announced his retirement at a crowded media conference in Hyderabad ahead of the two test series against New Zealand. So here VVS Lakshman, his full name was Vengipurapu Venkata Sai Lakshman. ठीक है, वेंगीपुरापु वेंकट साई लक्ष्मण. I repeat, वेंगीपुरापु वेंकट साई लक्ष्मण. So which means VVS Lakshman. ठीक है, also call it as a very special Lakshman. ठीक है. How many years he is in cricket team? He was up to 16 years long. He was in the cricket team, in his cricket team, Indian cricket team, right? So I hope, just imagine how 16 years. I think the students who are listening to me right now, or also they also have the 16-year age of the, right? After spending 16 years to the cricket team, after giving his 16 years to the Indian cricket team, he finally announced his retirement in Hyderabad itself. He belongs to Hyderabad, right? So Hyderabad itself he announced his retirement when head of two test series against New Zealand. Test series against New Zealand के न्यूजीलैंड के कंपटीशन में टेस्ट सीरीज था, उससे पहले 2 टेस्ट सीरीज थे, उससे पहले ही इसका रिटायरमेंट वो अनाउंस कर चुका था. ठीक है. The 37-year-old star batsman who was part of the fabulous batting lineup which helped India become the #1 test team shares his experience and thoughts in an exclusive interview with Sports Star. So he was about on the time when he was announced that he is going to retire. So on that time he was at 37 years old, right? So he was a great badminton, he was a part of fabulous badminton lineup. So which means he was a good badminton, so which helps India become a #1 test team. So the quality of his badminton, right? This helps the Indian team to become #1 test team. ठीक है. So he shares his experiences and thoughts in the exclusive interview with Sportsman. So finally he is very happy with his experience, and he shared some of complete experience and complete journey of his Indian cricket team life with the Sports Star. Here Sports Star, he is a interview. ठीक है, interview, who is taking the interview of VVS Lakshman. So here is the picture photo of the VVS Lakshman, right? This lesson we have complete interview about the Lakshman and the Sports Star. Here SS means Sports Star, VVS Lakshman means VVS Lakshman only. So here Sports Star means interviewer. He asked questions and he gave answers about his experiences during the career of his life. ठीक है. We will discuss in our later upcoming further classes. Okay. Up to that, take care, students. Yes, students, your today's homework was this glossary. First 6 glossaries. Write this glossary one time in your homework as a assignment, right? If possible, take a screenshot and complete your homework. Okay, students. Have a nice day, students. Thank you.